Biamono sana bagusimwe space mole rero na ligithie Gen Z yane engerese gaigana ki na kimatia nyale so far biamono sana ndugu ya Namos asukereshinga kichao wachaga mko tendo sana netu ege ndo ku request I know musi lakini kwana mnamba nganale rusio moyo goime kiro monte ne Gen Z akale
agotewa
erengerete Matiangi or make decisions gete kana swete siasa yae intangani yabo a party. Was it a good choice so far?
Honestly, from the first, into a interview nae. You remember? It was last year, November. Ngawatawinga, the worst decision Matiangi has made, no was Jubilee. Ngaki wanted. Ngantawinga, again to get Matiangi was Jubilee. A structure. Chibesa. Na influence nga Jubilee National Party already. Kwaradi. Ngateba ni sawa. But nda to analyze omwako isire ko era ko Matiangi so Jubilee. How was Jubilee helped him collect a national image area Matiangi? Zero. Ya reduce because aba ikoyo baenge Jubilee saye bagasa ino gutamagochi DCP aba anta tegameta bachikomo irabo ikoyo through Jubilee saye bagasa ino gutamagochi DCP. That's the truth. Igayo minute national look teyo Jubilee koretera Matiangi. Hizo ni facts.
Bono Matiangi
egento yakabera
ochire mpaka Samburu olonjire official Mombasa okolera boigo and many other parts. Next time go and Garissa and the staff. Once you've had that structure, according to me, to be very honest, egento Matiangi atarakora is the proper publicity of the party and his candidature. A youth's crown, not just party alone. Tarakora campaign una babu Sifuna they are marketing leader manage through their rallies. Matiangi hasn't done the same. He's still preparing himself.
Loss of power, you must disparate your father's legacy. Erinda yo imoke uchigo. Ukora Raila Odinga, a crash at Ford Kenya legacy is a Jaramogi.
For the Kenya.
A Rosebland a brand ya Raila. Orgere Risai Sifuna ta crash at your legacy ya Raila. Osokire sainga mimi ndio Sifuna sisi ndio Sifuna kwa rodi ono Matiangi era I tied to Uhuru nga when we were in the government with Uhuru Kenyatta we did this and this egento gya kabere wago tebanga Jubilee ne chipesa ya rekoretera
katika utanga chipesa mate ndinava gusibona Matiangi tokoro sintu kumukora iho Matiangi atiyo kwananga katwange na Uhuru
katwange government no
ata yabondo ntake tuchokora iga
ebintu
abwata dile
ebintu byagochonya batanga katwange government na Uhuru twache tokarwasima Malinda tokakora iga erine legacy ya Uhuru Kenyatta keroko weka ime iga minute bintu bibyo spio Uhuru akorete bibe na webwatire iga ozi kumanyora boni mu advice kerego ikira sama ngana a messaging arusi Uhuru na naba iko naro na nyorete na kuru kama kumbuli kama kontevinga ntwanje timondo kubuli you ni fact ntwanje timondo kubuli we korora kane
no independent
no nyankalonzo baiko yomba mwanche tubeyayo nelinga abwate chikuragete chire consequential utanyare como lemerere birale
iko bono Matiangi arusi Uhuru ati mu campaign Matiangi abe party leader ashaka kuruma
na inde
anya komachi besa mwe kurumera
eshida na yemo abande batebetenga Uhuru ara feel safe nature hacha kera Matiangi are Jubilee lakini teto boli swali babo Sifuna mbali linda mwananchi kiama kiapo Uhuru tariko bachi besa
akanire pi
urungo baale Sifuna tada betango kwana bale no
ngukwana bale lakini Uhuru tara bakana
poli ninjoroge tanganya tokoro Jubilee akaenda gochikore
poli njoroge kana bati issues
tigato
draji to kwa Uhuru Kenyatta bodyguard kamusuki
tigato tabeke maene tigato ko ngaina na gaiga tabeke maene ngoye kubale chibesa no Uhuru besa toko changeru pay bill no 10 million
issue to yabo
tiganda hote 10 million korope bilere beko wakasai terasangere no 10 million 10 million toko korame kutano 5 Tiga tutebanie kemane. Yes. Uhuru ngo baare chibesa. Isiko ngake kunyarekana ngamatiangere ta komwabesa kare.
Sibigiriria. So tota Uhuru nabate anya ga gufandi wa Sifuna. Ya jena nero pamwata lakini matiangi talinga hostali kumufanda.
Yes.
Ndi talinga gose mbarekera ase akomo like mbarekera asa guchirwa. Ikambe mpirangia. Abako bali babo bangeri.
Wanongoboli. Nabanya are goja goteba inga campaign tiranga. Campaign tiranga. Sai rigadi uire Mount Kenya. Bakirita limatiangia bwate Mount Kenya dia sirire. Dia fediri.
Lingulirani yale.
Ngakyo ko irani. Onye Kalonzo onye wa Munyoro o convince yaba ikoyo no irungu kangata. Kwaro chacha ta swali na mwananchi obatebwira na muinaiga. Kwana na wa Munyoro kwa
chimatiangia bangite. Akubate party ya Jubilee anyaroski vyake. Na bagusibuka bali mu kongombo hiyo. Ama kwimuka agende arosi coalition wa Munyoro. Wano ese kwa DCP Jubilee. Weta bangala.
Ngobori. Kalonzo ngaikuwa mubekavu.
No, Kalonzo ibi ndabuna biraboniga. Ubata na Sifuna.
Wali na obare na oyo onde wa Munyoro nyumuntu narara takabe candidate ya. Kagara siasa ni interest. Wa Munyoro na bwate interest ya. Omuntu ora implement interest ya Gachagua buyapi. Kalonzo kagara Kalonzo tari kubodi maswali.
Nometengeka ngomo. The Mount Kenya people will not serve the interest of Gachagua. They will consider their interests. The people of Mount Kenya.
Ngotabe kama Lero ega. Buna torega. Gachagua aibe kende bali. Abo iko bakumwakera.
Abuna bakumwakera tinda kana because Gachagua according to me so that bad.
Sai buna kere. Olkarawe approve eti. Wa Munyoro kako batebi right. Aba iko kwaroche.
Epati yaro ndora iko agyo.
Kwaroche wakestima ya sirete. Aba iko bantu batanga ki. Sisi hatuna issue tunangoja Wa Munyoro atuambie nini ilifanyika. Abantu bari no bayikera ngakene baroboma to Wa Munyoro ngochara batebune bintu
ya bete
na Wa Munyoro agote note I want to give direction. I want to give direction to this community. Oba tebe vijana mokore igana abangina awasa ni chirol as a community ayo te Wa Munyoro akori binde BSP acha wendosi ka ayo kole mega ya uru
ngesembe bangete
ngagiwe bangete
Matiangi towards nojaboniga Matiangi ngojo chakala campaign but ngenda called at first no go make international networking
international networking is very important but tiganda hote togo to international connection choka wete kiagera
nachika neti pia
nachika neti
amago cha loko
tikango tabi ochinyora alafu tubwate wananchi
basi ngise ako chinyora amago cha saka sina sava na inchi
Kalonzo olio rochoka ligotara no Uhuru olio muirira Nigeria
basi olio mwete Nigeria
function ya Uhuru nere custodian ya basonga ba Kenya oyo koro gonya gotari Kalonzo
atamo tomete bone ambassador US Truji kanyira smart ya France na smart yang
tiango tebe no chaba songo bari bara feel more comfortable with Kalonzo wasema tiangi eyo minute advantage teyo Matiangi abwata over Kalonzo as international relations detora manye
mbayo compete
tiganda hotel abasongo bari as long as you can implement their interest mbabwa issue nae igo abasongo bari safe na Kalonzo wakaba safe na Matiangi ekinta detora manye bona igo bonsi babwa international advantage ige minute toirane e ground Kenya